Welcome back once again, my friend. There is a great news coming up tomorrow on KuCoin at exactly 6 o'clock UTC time on 12th of November, because KuCoin is listing a token that has not been traded on any exchange for once. So I'm going to encourage you guys, you can do your own research and know more about this coin. But with what I'm saying, okay, let me pause this video and then do a little research about this token. Let me check the community and see maybe if we're expecting a 10x, 100x and all of that.
Excuse me, boss.
Okay,
you have
guys.
a text message.
Okay, guys, welcome back once again. So this is their Telegram group. Already they have 68,000 plus worth of members on their Telegram group. To make this video as short as possible, I don't want to make it more than 2 minutes, so you can do your own research about this token. You know, I'm expecting a huge pump from this token. Look at the community is mad. Like, you can do your own research furthermore and
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Get to know more about the token. So let's dive back to CoinMarketCap to see if the coin is listed anywhere or not. You can see that the token is yet to be listed anywhere. It's still at the stage of ICO, initial coin offering. So it just ended. So by tomorrow, man, expect it, boom, it's going to hit the crypto world. So let me stop here for now, as make it as short as possible. Please, my friend, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I'm making this consistent effort to give us updated information about any listing, any cryptocurrency listing, and then I give free calls in my Telegram group. Then please, my friend, do well to subscribe. I'm going to drop the link in the comment box below, and then drop more information about this exchange in my Telegram group. Thank you so much.